This video demonstrates how to create a discussion topic and forum. Encourage your learners to share thoughts on course material with peers by setting up forums and topics for learners to ask questions, discuss course content and assignments, and work together in assigned groups and sections. Note that you must create a discussion forum first, which will contain associated discussion topics. Discussion forums organize course discussion topics into categories such as weekly discussions, open discussions, and group discussions. In a content module, click Create New. Then select Discussion. First, create the forum by clicking Create Forum. In the dialog, enter a forum title and click Save. Depending on how your organization has configured your course, you may instead select a forum from the Forum drop-down menu. Enter a topic title. For grade out of, enter the number of points. Select whether the discussion will appear in the grade book by clicking the drop-down menu. The option Edit or Link to Existing creates and links to a new grade item or links to an existing one. Not in Gradebook does not associate the discussion with a grade item. To add a due date for the first post, enter a due date. After, enter a description to explain what you expect of learners' responses. Click the availability dates and conditions accordion to set a start date and end date and choose the visibility of your discussion topic for both the start and end dates. You can adjust the before end and after end restrictions to control learner access before the topic opens and after it closes. Click Add Release Condition to create a new release condition or add an existing one. To set restrictions for a topic, click Manage Restrictions and select one of the following options. Restrict topic to allow users in the selected groups or sections view this topic and all of its threads. Restrict topic and separate the threads to allow users in the selected groups or sections view this topic but only see threads from their group or section. Click the Post and Completion accordion to set how learner participation is displayed and to choose whether the topic is moderated. You can allow learners to hide their names from other learners, require learners to start a thread before viewing or replying to other threads, and require posts to be approved before they are displayed. Click the Evaluation and Feedback accordion to add a rubric and associate learning objectives with your discussion topic. You can allow evaluation of individual posts, choose a calculation method for topic scores, and include unevaluated posts in score calculations as 0. You can also allow learners to rate posts with 5-star ratings, upvote, downvote, or upvote only ratings. When you're done, change the topic from hidden to visible and click Save and Close. You have created a new forum and discussion topic. Now you know how to create a discussion forum and topic. Thanks for watching.